Hey guys, Ira here from Ira Studios. Today we're going to talk about very cheap but awesome filmmaking equipment for beginners that will help you make amazing videos. If you are overwhelmed by the amount of equipment available, or you simply have no time to do your own research, you came to the right place. You might be thinking that equipment is everything and you need expensive top-notch camera, lights, sound gear, etc. But in reality, it's all about you and your kick-ass filmmaking skills. You don't believe me? Here's the proof! I got this award years ago in 2005 for the national competition in digital photography. But the funny thing is, I was the only one with a small consumer digital camera that had merely 5 megapixels, and everybody else had those awesome DSLRs with lenses I couldn't afford for years to come. And the only guy who was better than me was the son of one of the judges. So, everything is possible. There are award-winning films being made with smartphones like Tangerine or Unsane. Now, let's get started! There are 4 pieces of equipment that you need to start your filmmaking journey: camera, lens, microphone and a stand. I suggest you to pick up Panasonic Lumix G7 for $500. It films in Ultra HD, which is 4K. That means your films will be future-proofed when nobody is going to be using HD anymore. It also has a flip screen that will help you shoot unusual angles or if you plan to film yourself. It comes with a kit lens and you will be able to start filming right away. An extra bonus with this camera is that you can change lenses and buy new ones when you're ready and have the funds for it. And don't forget to buy extra batteries and SD cards. You should get a Rode video mic that you connect with your camera. I suggest you buying this set with a boom pole for $170. Trust me, it will come in handy when you start filming dialogues. A stand is a must, and you will need it all the time. I recommend you get a Manfrotto lightweight fluid video system for around $300. It is sturdy enough so you can later add on extra gear on your camera and it will nicely hold everything. You're going to love its fluid head for your cinematic camera movements, like pans and tilts. If all of this is too expensive for you, stick to your smartphone and get yourself a lavalier mic that you connect to another phone and just start filming. In addition, you can get yourself a brush in the shape of a pen to clean your lenses, lens filters and a reflector, which is great when you film outdoors or have only one source of light indoors. You can direct and diffuse light with it. But don't worry about all of that. We'll be talking about all the gadgets and extra gear in the following videos. You can check the list of all the equipment mentioned in this video below. Now, like, subscribe and happy filming!